How to find vscode installed path in Ubuntu. I am trying to change the filezilla filetype association and set vscode as default for any file type. I couldn't find installed application path or executable file to give a path. How do I make vscode the default executable for all file types?
By default, the executable is /user/bin/code. If for some reason it was installed in a different directory, from a terminal type, and it will tell you the path to the executable.
I wasn't able to find it using. I was able to find it using. This is running Popos 20.04. If you used snap to install it, then it will be at /snap/bin/code, but if you didn't use snap or did not find it there, then just execute this command. If you use Scodium, which is Visual Studio Code without the Microsoft spine, then the path is /user/bin/codium by using which codium.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.